Yeah, just set it up automatically to be showing. Yeah, this is good. I think this is what your school need, guys. So go through the solution, then let me know what you think about this application. If it's super enough, drop your comment. And if you want it for your school or you want to uh, get the script and maybe market it and get your own profit, contact the site and let them know what you want. You can see the site right there. This is the site. Just visit it. You can see the URL. Just visit the site and let them know what you want and contact them. I believe they'll deliver it to you. Okay. This solution is super. You can see some statistic here. Yeah, it's good. It's good, guys. It's good. So this is the school portal, right? Good. So let me log out. So let's check other things that they have. We'll log out here. Let me check something here. Let me be sure. I saw you see pin generation, right? Is it here? Not here. Okay, I think my just try. Yeah, pin, yeah, generate pin. Let me check that section. Oh, good. Yeah, generate pin. Wow. So you can enter the number of pin that you want to generate. Let's say I enter 20, I'll generate 20 pin. Let's see what happened. Pin generated. Great. Oh, right here. Look at this. Wow. Guys, this is super, man. Look at it. This is the day. Yes. Look at it. The pin I've generated 20. Let's view it. Yeah. Okay, guys. So just go through it and see for yourself. So in the next video, I'm going to go through other sessions so we can see it together. All right. So let me log out here. I'm going to log out. Great. So let's check the other session. We got the student. Okay, let's check the student. It's loading. Oh, good. Is open now. Let's check the login detail of students. The details is here. Use a password. Wow, man, this is a beautiful interface. I like this interface. This is student. Yeah, this is temp session. So you can view profile, change password, notification, support, and student can check results. They can check results. You see it, they want to check results, can check results. But fortunately, I don't know the result criteria here, but student can check results, enter their PIN to check results. Yes. And they also have the functionality that student can check CA, like continuous assessment. They can check their continuous assessment to see what they had in their continuous assessments. Okay, so guys, you can see right here for yourself. So if you need any custom solution or the made application, contact these people, they'll deliver it for you. And the beauty is that they'll deliver the solution to you that same day. So all you need is to just contact them. You don't need to worry about any other thing. Just contact them, explain to them what you want, how you want it. They deliver to you straight up. Okay? And then let me know what you think about this application. If you like it, drop a comment. If you need it, drop your comment and see how we can get it across to you. But you can as well visit the site. Look at the site right here. This is the site. You visit the site and contact them. You can chat them up on WhatsApp. This is WhatsApp handle. You click on the handle there. You'll be able to connect to them through their WhatsApp handle. Then you let them know what you want. That's it, guys. So in the next video, we'll go through other products that they have. Okay. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel